Hey guys, how you going? I wanted to take part in Nate's hat challenge. So I have printed off the list, put a number next to it, and put little bits of paper in here with the numbers on, because, you know, I had to print them off. Anyways, so I need to pick 3 different numbers, and if they don't go together I can redraw. I believe that was what the instructions said. 41, must do a flip cup. Okay. No, I'm not looking. I'm actually staring at the monitor on the screen. 36, can't do a ribbon pour. Okay. Next one. 44, must do a strainer pour. I don't have a strainer. They kind of don't have ones in Australia that you can really use, because the ones that we've got here, they've got like this little thing on the bottom that sticks up so you can't have it sit flat. Must use black. Okay, so far I have to do a flip cup, not a ribbon pour, and I have to use black, because I can't do a strainer. I'm going to pick another one to see if I get more direction. 32, pick up 3 more challenges, now pick the 3 in your hand. Now pick 3 in your hand and discard the other 3 you don't want. Okay, so pick up 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I get to throw 3 away that I don't want. So 54, no yellows. 49, you can only use monochromatic, and 58, no white. Okay, so far I can't do a ribbon pour, I have to do a flip cup. I can only use monochromatic. No yellow, no white. That kind of gets rid of monochromatic then. Must use black. So if I got rid of 3 of these, if I get rid of no white, no yellow, and can only do monochromatic, we'll try that again because those ones didn't work so great. Alright, 40, must do a flip. That's the same thing. Why is there 2 must do a flip cups? Okay, I must do a flip cup. 69, must use purple. Purple and black. Alright, one more try. See if I can get her something or other else. 39. Can't do a tree ring pull. Alright, you're just telling me what I can't do now. Okay, I have to do a flip cup anyways, because it's told me twice now I have to do a flip cup. So, a flip cup with purple and black. I'm back! So I've mixed up my paints, and just to remind everyone that this was the one that let me chuck some out. I can't do a ribbon pour, I can't do a tree ring pour, I have to do a flip cup, so flip cup. Must use black, and must use purple, so that's why the black and the purple. I thought I might give myself a little bit more of a challenge by using green and magenta.